Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't log in with Facebook in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now on this page you will find every app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it, and then go to this data usage option. Click on here, you will find the network access, and right here make sure that all those four options are enabled. Go back and click on the storage or the internal storage. Now here you have to click on clear data and then click on clear cache. Go back and now click on this open by default option. Click on the open supported links in this app and choose always allow. And now go back to the apps manager again, and this time search for Facebook. Click on it and click on this force stop right here. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.